channel. So here I am with a good number of questions on DSA concepts which will help you to crack your placements. As I have said, we are going to solve many number of questions and which give you confidence to solve any question that comes during your placements. Yeah, the first question we are going to solve from basic level to advanced level. So these are all the questions from basic to advanced. So first question we are going to solve is maximum and minimum element in an array. So in this question basically they will give you an array and we need to find the maximum element in that array and the minimum element in that array. So let's look at into this question and open a VS Code. Let's name the file as maxmin.java. So let's take the main class. Inside that, let's take the array which will be given in your question already, so don't worry about it. Let's take it as 20. Okay, let's take more. Enough left. Now system out system.out.println max value. This is a function that will be defined later, and the next one is min value. Okay, now let's write the function static int max. We are taking array as an input, so for this type of questions, first we need to assume that the element which is at the 0th index is a max element or a min element respectively. In the case of max element, if we find any other element that is greater than that of element at index 0, we need to change that as max element and continue the procedure till we get the max element. In the minimum element, we assume the 0th element as minimum element, and when we encounter any other element that is minimum then that of the element at 0th index, then we take that element as minimum element and continue the process till we get the final minimum and maximum element. To make you understand better, let's go into the code. Let's assume that the max value is at index 0. So let's iterate into it. I is equals to 1. I is less than array dot length. This is to tell the length of the array. So we need to take if condition. If array I is greater than max value, then what we are going to do is max value is equals to array I. That's all. And we are going to return it. That's it. Return that max value. That's it. The same job we are going to do it for minimum also, but what is the change here is you need to name it as min and take it as min value, index at 0th index only. The iteration is also same, but here you need to change the operator. When it is less than, then we need to change it min. That's it. Here also return min. Over. Let's see this. Okay. Java C max min dot Java. Okay. Java max min.java. See, something is went wrong. Okay. We have done where the mistake is. Okay, here, look at here. Here we have wrote both min only. So this is a mistake. Min. Sorry for the mistake. Finding out the mistakes is also a good practice for the developer. Yeah, you can check it out in our code. Max is this, min is this. Yeah, we got it. So I think you understood the concept very well. Nothing much here. We need to take the initial one as at 0th index and we need to change it accordingly. That's it. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.